Tonight we're doing a taste of Tasmanian seafood plate featuring abalone, Tasmanian salmon, Tasmanian oysters, and finally the Mures line-caught blue-eye trevally. We're also having with this dish an amazing edible sand and also a foam made from oyster mushrooms from Tunnel Hill. We've also got some beautiful crispy skin from blue eye as well. So we're using everything that's seafoods, everything Tasmanian. Beautiful, fantastic.
First off is the beautiful Tassal salmon, which we fillet and portion. Then comes freshly shucked Pacific oysters, black-lip abalone sourced from the east coast of Tasmania is up next. The abalone is removed from the shell, cleaned, trimmed and sous vide in Tasmanian olive oil. What seafood plate wouldn't be complete without Mures blue-eye trevally? Here we fillet and prepare two ways, confit and tartare. Next, we prepare the stock for the sea foam. Nothing goes to waste. Skins, frames, garlic, onions and leek go into the stock to form the foundation for our sauce. When the stock is filtered, we add Tunnel Hill oyster mushrooms, kombu and kami for full flavour. Now to the sand. We make this with maltodextrin, wakame powder and vegetable oil. Add in fried whitebait and Tasmanian kelp and we are well on our way. Prepare the sea foam by combining the fish stock, cream, butter and xanthan gum powder. Finally, we put it all together with a smile on our faces and an eagerness to devour. Bon appetit!